Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel GetAssist.net, where I post troubleshooting videos and useful tutorials. And in this video, I'm going to help you out to know how you can find out who unfollowed you on Instagram. So by the end of this video, you will be able to know who never followed you back on Instagram or who unfollowed you, and the method is going to be 100% working and genuine. So without further ado, let's get started with the video. So first of all, you have to open the Instagram app on your mobile device, and then you have to tap the profile icon to go to your profile. And now here you have to tap the three lines, and that's gonna open some options for you. Click settings, and after that you have to go to security section. Now here you will see the option download data, so you have to simply tap that. And now here you have to enter your email address where you want to receive a copy of what you have shared on Instagram. We will email you a link to file with your photos, comments, profile information and more, and it can take up to 48 hours. So enter your email address and click on request download. Now next step, you have to enter your Instagram password, so make sure you remember that and then tap next. So yeah, download requested. We have started creating a file of things you have shared on Instagram, and it can take up to 48 hours. So yeah, press done, and you just have to wait for 48 hours to receive the file with all your download data, all your data, all right? And then I will show you what are the next steps you have to take. So yeah, here is the email that I have received from Instagram related to my information that I requested, all right? And this link will only work for 4 days, so make sure you remember that, and you have only 4 days to download your data. So make sure you don't miss that period, otherwise you have to go through the entire process again. So simply click on download information. So I'm doing it on a browser. You can also use your mobile browser. And now here you simply have to log in to your Instagram account. Once you are logged into your Instagram, you will see this message, your Instagram information. Here is the file you requested with the information about your account. And again, it is mentioned that this link will only work for 4 days. So click on download information. And as you can see, the file has been downloaded. As my data was very less, so it took only a few seconds. Now you simply have to open this zip file, and you have to extract all files if required. So I'm gonna open it. So I'm simply gonna select File Explorer here, and as you can see, all the contents that were there in the file. Now I'm gonna select this folder that says followers and following. So it has all the information that you need. As you can see, there are 3 options: followers, following and recently unfollowed accounts that you have unfollowed. So you can simply open 2 of these. That is the followers one. That will show you that accounts that follow you, and then you have to go back and open the following file as well. So you have to open both these list of followers and following. So the accounts that follow you and accounts you choose to see content from. And now what you have to do is you have to go to a website in a new tab, that is listdiff.com. So yeah, in a new tab, I'm gonna enter listdiff.com. That's the website you have to visit now. Now here you can compare any 2 lists that you want. So today we will compare the followers and following list to find the difference. So what you have to do is you have to select the entire followers list like I'm doing, and you simply have to copy it by pressing Ctrl+C, and then you have to paste it right here as you can see on the screen. So that is list A. Now we will do the same for the following list as well to put it into the B section. So I'm going to select all the accounts that I follow. I'm going to copy them by pressing Ctrl+C on my system, and then I'm going to paste it in the list B section on the listdiff.com here. Now after entering both the information, the followers and following, you have to click on compare list. and here is the information that you were looking for. So A only shows the accounts who follows you. All right, so these are the accounts that follow you but you are not following them, and A and B shows that you both are following each other, but the B only shows that only you follow them but they are not following you back. So that's the list for my account. It is very small because that's a tutorial account. I don't use it every day. All right, so you can also sort the information from A to Z to make it easier for you, and from there you can find out the names who are not following you on Instagram but you are following them. And if you want, you can simply unfollow them one by one, but make sure to take time and don't do it in one go, as it may block your Instagram account as well. So if you want to unfollow these accounts who are not following you on Instagram, you can do it one by one. So these are the names of the account, the profile names, the usernames of Instagram. You can also copy the information if you want. All right, so that's all the information you need to know who is not following you or who unfollowed you on Instagram. That was all for this topic. I hope you found it helpful, and in case if you have any issues regarding Instagram, you can mention that in the comment box down below, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button for more information and useful videos. Thank you for watching.